this because it was built to my order from an original Californian car, but it's a new shell, it's a V8 engine and so on, and I had every intention of rallying it. But I also had a very strong intention to please my wife because she had an MG BGT in this colour, everything, sunshine roof, the lot, and she absolutely loved it. But of course we were a lot younger then, and she doesn't like this because it's noisy, and it's really quite harsh on the road, and I'm past any serious rallying, so I want to make the car a more usable, comfortable road car.
We do offer comfort bushes. They are 65 Shore polyurethane, and what that does is it sort of returns the car to its original spec. So
Right.
this car was built for rallying, so I assume what you've got on the car is fairly stiff.
Oh yes, it's to rush around corners absolutely straight, but not but you hit a bounce and you know you're all about it.
Absolutely. Well, what this will do is it'll, like I say, return it back to stock.
Good.
But it will also give you the benefits of polyurethane. So if you have an oil leak, it won't degrade the bush in any way like rubber would. UV light won't degrade the bushes, road salts, all those sorts of things that you may well encounter. So we'll swap those, and hopefully you'll be enjoying the ride.
Well, you can get my wife to drive it. You never know.
Maybe.
Splice Originals.
Pleased I am, because it's made it, as it were, much more civilised as a car, and it's a pleasure to drive it on ordinary roads, and it's sort of quieter and more civilised inside. That's what I like about it now, and hopefully I'm going to get my wife to like it as well.